Welcome to Tools. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use tools to improve the quality of your work in design, approvals, and construction. You can access the Tools website on your laptop or mobile, or download the app by searching Building Tools in the Apple or Android App Store. Let's dive in. Getting around is simple. Use Search or the intuitive graphic navigator on the home screen. Select a category and choose what you need from over 300 tools in the menu. Each tool contains illustrated information about the materials, dimensions, connections, and rules that everyone needs to know. All code-based content is shown in red, while best practice content containing warnings and tips are in blue. Click hotspots to find important code summaries, while tables and illustrations provide additional information. Links to other relevant tools allow you to quickly jump to related details. Complex code differences are explained without ometers, and code citations show where the information was originally sourced from. Use the NCC switcher to jump between NCC versions. Once you have the tool you want, zoom in and dive right into the detail. You can quickly check something you don't know, confirm something that may be right or wrong, and understand something complex as you detail, inspect, or build it. Harness the power of tools to accelerate communication. You can quickly share tools with others by creating a share link, exporting as a PDF, embedding it into a plan, adding spec blocks to a report, or defining compliance requirements using Spec Tools, our graphical specifications solution. Tools is construction knowledge made simple. Start using it today to boost your work, whether you're in design, approvals, or construction.